Hello everyone, welcome to online class. I am Basamma P. I am from APPA Public School. I will be teaching you social study for grade 3. In previous class, we have studied about the lesson number 3, finding places. Today we will continue the same lesson. Before start, we will recall what we have studied in previous class. See, we have studied about the what? Yes, cardinal direction, intermediate direction, compass, sketch, maps, and atlas. We have studied about these all. What do you mean by cardinal direction? Yes, north, east, south, and north, east, south, west are known as the cardinal directions. Then what do you mean by intermediate direction? Yes, children. Northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest are known as the what? Intermediate direction. These lie between the four main directions. North, south, east, west. Intermediate direction lies between the four main directions. See, northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Okay. Then what do you mean by compass? Yes, a compass is an instrument. It is one instrument used for finding direction. Why we use to find directions? Find direction. It has needle. What it has? It has needle. Always point to the north side. Always point to the north. If you know one direction, we'll see all the direction. Okay? What do you mean by sketch? A sketch is a rough drawing. Rough drawing. A sketch is a rough drawing that shows us the direction to a particular place. Sketch is a rough drawing that shows us the direction to a particular place. Maps. What do you mean by maps? Maps are used for finding direction. Maps are used for finding direction on the or places on the earth. They are drawing of various part of the earth. Okay, children. Next, atlas. What do you mean by atlas? See, a book of map is called the atlas. We have studied about these. Today, let us learn about the. Globes and difference between globes and maps. Let us learn about globes and difference between globe and globes and map. Okay, first we'll learn the globe. See, what do you mean by globe? A globe is a model of the earth. It is a model of the earth. It is little earth. Globe is the model of the earth. See here, a globe is the model of the earth. Globe is the model of the earth. What do you mean by globe? A globe is the model of the earth. It is little earth. It is little earth. Yes. See, the word globe, the word globe comes from Latin word globus. Which means spherical object of rounded shape. See, a globe is a model of the earth. It is a little earth. The word globes come from Latin word. The globe means what? Spherical object. Okay? Or round. We can see all continent and ocean on the globe. What we can see? We can see all continents and oceans. We can see all continents and ocean on the globe. Yes, we can see all continents and ocean on the globe. Yes, children. Okay, what do you mean by continents? Already you know the definition of continent. What do you mean by continents? Yes, the earth is divided into huge land masses. The earth is divided into huge land masses. These land masses are called what? Continents. And how many continents are there, children? Already you all know there are 7 continents. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. What are they? Yes. What are they? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. These are the 7 continents on the earth. Which is the largest continent? Yes, Asia is the largest continent. And which is the smallest continent? Yes, Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Okay? And what do you mean by ocean? Ocean is a large salty water body. What do you mean by ocean? Ocean is a large salty water body. How many oceans are there, children? Yes, there are 5 oceans on the earth. What are they? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. How many oceans are there? 5 oceans. Which is the largest ocean? Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Okay. We can see all the continent and ocean on the globe. How many continents are there? 7 continents and 5 oceans. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, and Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. See next. However, next point. However, we can only see one side of the. However, we can see one side of the earth at a time. However, we can only see one side of the earth at a time. See, we will have to spin globe. We will have to what? We will have to spin the globe around to see. We will have to spin the globe around to see the other side. See here, a globe is big and heavy. The globe is big and heavy. See, the globe is big and it is difficult to carry one place to another, which is why people use maps while traveling. See, a globe is the model of the earth. It is a little earth. The word globes comes from Latin word globus, which means spherical object of round. We can see all continents and ocean on the globe. However, we can only see one side of the earth at a time. We have to see all sides, means we have to spin the globe to see other side. See, do you all know what is this? Yes, this is a globe. See, this is the globe. Whatever blue part, it is ocean, and color part is the continent. See, we can only see one side of the earth. When we spin this, we can see all side. Okay? The globe is big and heavy. It is difficult to carry one place to another, which is why people use maps while traveling. Okay? Next, what globe shows us? You see what globe? What does globe show? What does the globe show? What does the globe What does the globe show? What does globe show? The globe shows us the globe shows us the distribution of land and water on the earth. What globe shows? The globe shows us the distribution of land and water on the earth. Next, the globe shows what globe show? The globe shows correct shape and location of the continents and oceans. See, what globe shows us? The globe shows us the land means continents, water, oceans. What globe shows us? The globe shows us the distribution of what? Water and land. The globe shows us the correct shape of the continents and oceans. Correct shape of the continents and oceans. Okay? Understood about the what globe shows us? Now we will study the advantages and disadvantages of the globe. Advantages and disadvantages of the globe. First we learn advantages. See, first advantage. What is the first advantage? A globe is the exact model of the earth. A globe is the exact model of the earth. The globe is the exact model of the earth. Second one, the shape of the shape of the land and water bodies are the shape of the land and water bodies are accurate on the globe. See, the shape of the land and water bodies are accurate in the globe. See, what are the advantages of the globe? Globe is the exact model of the earth. The shape of the land and water bodies are accurate in the globe. Now we'll learn what are the disadvantages of the globe. Disadvantages. First one, globes are difficulty to carry. Globes are difficulty to carry. Globes are difficult to carry. Gloves are difficulty to carry. Why? Because gloves are big. It is big and heavy. It is big and heavy. That which is why people use maps while traveling. It is difficulty to carry. We cannot get detailed information. Second one, we cannot get detailed information. We cannot get the detailed information regarding the small area like town, cities and villages, etc. We cannot get detailed information. Okay? Understood about the advantages and disadvantages of the globe? A globe is the exact model of the earth and the shape of the land and water bodies are accurate in the globe. Next, what are the disadvantages of the globe? See, globes are difficult to carry. Why? Because it is big and heavy. It is big and heavy. And we cannot get detailed information regarding small areas like villages, town and cities, etc. Understood? Okay. Now we will on the difference between what? Yes, maps and globe. Difference between maps and globe. Maps, globe. Now we will learn the difference between map and globe. See, first point, maps. Maps are drawn on a flat area. Maps are drawn on a maps are drawn on a flat surface. See, maps are drawn on a flat surface. Gloves. Gloves are model of the earth. Gloves are model of the earth. They are round in shape, not flat. See, maps are drawn on a flat surface. Globes are model of the earth. They are round in shape and not flat. Next point. See, what is the next point? The map does not show the show the shape of the earth. A map does not show the shape of the earth. See, a globe shows the shape of the earth. show the shape of the earth. See, a globe show the shape of the earth. Next, a map is third point. A map is easier to use and see, maps are easier to use and can be taken anywhere. Can be taken anywhere. A map is easier to use and can be taken anywhere. A globe is big. Globe is heavy. See, a globe is heavy and difficult to see. A globes are heavy and difficult to carry. Globes are heavy and difficult to carry. Difficulty to carry different places. Different place. Fourth one. See, a globe is heavy and difficult to carry different place. Next, see here, maps show more detail. Map shows more details than globe. Map shows more details than globes. See, a globe shows fewer details than maps. See here, a globe shows fewer details than maps. Maps are drawn on a flat surface. Globes are model of the earth. They are round in shape. See, globes are round in shape, but maps are drawn on a flat surface. Next point. See here. Next point. A map does not show the shape of the earth. A globe shows the shape of the earth. A map is easier to use. And can be taken anywhere. And a globe is big and heavy and difficult to carry from one place to another. Map show more details than a globe. Map show more details than the what? Globe. A globe shows the fewer details than the map. Okay? Understood about the globes and map? Difference between the globes and map? Okay. Okay, children. What we have studied today? About globe and difference between the maps and difference between the globes and map. A globe is the exact model of the earth. The word globes comes from the Latin word. What globus means what? Spherical object. After that we learn the advantages and disadvantages of the globe. After we learn the what? Difference between globes and map. Okay? Understood? Thank you, children. We will meet in the next class.